My name is Sue Hart. Jerry Masillo and I spent the day at Robert Moses State Park filming a video on weathering and erosion. Did you know that when the Montauk Lighthouse was commissioned in 1792, local residents knew about the inevitable erosion of the cliffs below it? The tower and the keeper's house was placed 300 feet back on the bluff, and it now perches precariously above about 70 feet from the Atlantic Ocean. The erosion of the cliffs has been halted only by placing boulders and wire mesh baskets filled with rocks at the water's edge. This picture is actually of erosion that's been done to the dunes at the park present day.
Hi, my name is Doreen Masillo. I'm here with Sue Hart, and doing our lesson plan for Toro College from Professor Stein on weathering and erosion. And weathering is when rocks are worn down by the water, and erosion is when those little particles are taken by the water. And over here we have a little wave action going on. And when these waves are coming in, they're actually taking the sand back into the ocean. And when we have hurricanes and nor'easters, we're losing much more sand because it's taking all the sand away and we're losing it.
We've built our sandcastle, and the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to run some water down the side of one so that you can see how smooth the sand gets, and that's what happens when erosion occurs. And see how it's washing away the sand. That's exactly what happens when there's too much, when the sand cannot stand all the water that's coming at it.
This is a sand lesson. We took some dry sand and we speckled it on a piece of black paper, and then we added vinegar, and then we put the magnifying glass on it so we could see all the particles inside of the sand. And as you put the magnifying glass, you could see that it's not the same color, and you do see some particles. And after you put the vinegar, if it does bubble, that means it's one part of a living organism. And the sand found mostly in North America is quartz.